Hi everybody, it's Mikey from YouTube Broken Cars, and whilst everybody is screaming at me for Porsche content, I've got to pay for it. So I'm hoping that this little bargain of a Honda Jazz is going to be my ticket to earning a bit of money. So we're hoping we can flip the Honda Jazz, earn some money, and in the same time have a bit of fun. So I'm down at one of my favourite places with one of my favourite people. Luke's behind the camera. Hello. So yeah, we're going to do just a quick tour today, give you an idea of what we've got to do to this to try and earn some money with it. So let's have a little walk around it. This little Honda Jazz, 83,000 miles, pano sunroof, alloy wheels, air conditioning, nice little car to be fair, and I paid the whopping sum of £500 for it. Now the question is, can I turn it around and make some real money off of it? I don't want to make 100 quid. Now as you can see, it's not in the best condition, but it's not in the worst. But as we go around the car, we're going to see the damage that's done to this car and why I got it for £500. Right, under the bonnet, we've got the 1400 Honda IV Tech engine. So I think it makes about 90 horsepower. It's been serviced recently, so I won't need to service it because it's had an oil filter change, it's had an air filter, and it's had a cabin filter as well. The battery, I think, is a motorcycle battery, I'm not entirely sure, but it is particularly small. But overall, underneath the bonnet, I'm really pleased. And again, it runs really nicely. The company that I work for has been looking after this for a few years now. Start us on the button. Nice happy start. Like I say, nice low mileage. It is a climate control module, so it's got the digital climate inside it. But there's not really that much more to talk about inside these. They're pretty basic little cars, but they're lovely little things. Nice, like I say, nice big pano roof up here. It's good to have a clean. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it's a good little motor. And I think if it's sounded like pointing at the seat the whole time. Mirror glass, obviously, yeah, that's missing. It was smashed when we got the vehicle, took it out so we didn't end up with a load of broken glass on the floor. One of the big ones, which I'm not looking forward to, down here, we've got a bit of crust. She's a bit holy, so we've got to do that. And then the same up on this arch up here. So we've got to do some paint work on it, but that's why we're with the best. The main thing you'll notice, we are missing a bumper. So the reason I got this so cheap was because it had some rear end damage. You can see here, there's a bit of a damage here, it's had a little bit of a smack. I'm not sure if that was the previous owner reversing it into something or they got rear-ended, but we'll straighten this out and clean it up. Whilst we're back here, we'll clean up the rest of the metal and stuff and give that a tidy up and a paint. But yeah, so we've got a new bumper, which I managed to get from Euros for, I think, £100 or so, which is a bargain. But yeah, fingers crossed we can make some money out of this. And then the one thing that I'm most scared of is some rust here on the edge of the fuel flap. Now I'm hoping that it's only on the outside and we're able to clean up the area and give it a paint, but who knows. Underneath, I mean, it's hard to tell, but it looks pretty dry under there, which is nice to see. Arms are a little crusty. The tin shield has definitely seen better days, as has the exhaust, but it isn't blowing, so that's the main thing. Again, looks nice and solid under here. Yeah, happy with that. And again, a little bit crusty around the back end. And those exhaust bolts definitely have seen better days. The beam's a little crusty as well, but the hoses all look okay. Nothing that would scare me. It's a good clean under here. And a little bit of paint, but she's all right. She's okay. Yeah, happy. Sorry, Ross. Right, peeps, so can the bargain bucket £500 Honda Civic keep my 924 on the road? We're hoping that the sale of this car is going to generate enough money so I can paint the Porsche. But stay tuned and we'll find out what we can sell the cheap Honda Civic Stay tuned and find out what we can sell the cheap Honda Jazz for. See you on the next episode, everybody. Bye!